To add a timer to your game, here's what we're going to do. We're going to click on the scene view on our name right here, and we're going to move that to the right over here. Now the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Game Object, UI, Text. We're going to add another text object. Let's call this Timer Text. And then in center, in the text box here, let's make it say Timer, space 00:0:0, and you'll see that it's appearing right here in our game view. Let's go ahead and let's make that the color white. Let's make it the size, how about 22, and let's change our overflow value, and let's set our font to pre-start, and sorry, overflow on our horizontal as well, and let's put this up just as high as our name, but to the left, like so. I'm actually going to bring this up even further right here, and then do the same with our name. There we go. I like that. All right, so now the next thing we need to do is go into our scripts folder, and we're going to right-click, and we're going to create a C# script that we call Timer. And then let's open that up in Mono Develop once it gets made. And we're going to copy the code that is on lesson 5 and if infinite hover right here, Timer.cs. Now I want you to type each and every line of code. Don't just copy and paste. For the sake of this video, I am going to, but you should be actually typing it. So here, I'm going to double click and open this up in Mono Develop. And what that's going to allow me to do is write a script that is specifically for our timer. And so if I have written all of this and I hit save, I can also build all to make sure that it works as I suspect that it should. Notice right here there's a public variable right here, so we need to assign a game object to that in Unity. So what that means is that when we create a game object, this a chance to catch up, we're going to create a game object that we call an empty game object that we're going to call timer by clicking once here, timer, and I'm going to attach the timer to the timer script to the timer game object. You see right here, there's this score text. Basically, Unity wants to know which object on the screen should be this scores text. So I'm going to drag timer text, this game object right here, that is this timer value right here, into score text. And now, if everything is set up as it should be, I press play, and it is going to start. Once it starts, it's going to, oop, I see my timer worked. Oops, I'm just a little bit, so there we go. So now my timer is working. All right, that's all you got to do.